Hello, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass. Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced, chapter number 20. We will learn about the text effect with using of appearance panel. Okay, just go to your Illustrator dashboard and we want some panel over here. This is the rectangle. I want to fill this rectangle with the guardian color like that. I want this color, this sky blue, and you can edit this color also from here or edit guardian from here to like that. You can change the color appearance like that. Okay, beautifully background we can create with the help of appearance panel. Okay, so this is the color we want, and I want one text over here to display. Okay, so I want to write something here, sa cha sa chap design. Okay, and I want this background will be the yellow color. Okay, so yellow color will be display, but if you want to change the font something new font or any other font like that, this font will be good, I think so. And if you want to change the font here, you can change the font over here. You can change the size also, font size from over here. Okay, and now we want to change the outline. Here is no outline. I want to change the outline itself. Go to character. No, just go to here, stroke, appearance. This is the appearance panel, and if you don't have a appearance panel over here, just go to window, and here is the appearance panel is displaying. Okay, this is the appearance panel, and in this video I will explain you how to use the appearance panel to text. Okay, so stroke size will be null right now. Now I want to add a stroke, just outline. This outline will be showing over here, black color outline, and you will apply the color also in the outline. I want something different color from here. This is the outline color. Just select this and apply this color over here. I want blue color. No, blue color is already there. So I want something different color like this. Okay, so now you will see here the, just a minute, here is the stroke color, but we can't, we have to outline to display over here. This is the outline color I have applied. This is the outline color. See over here, yellow color. Okay, so this is the yellow color of, this is the full color will be applied. Okay, I will change the outline color, but will be applied to all the color. Okay, so what to do? We have to change this outline to, so that we can select over here and go to here. You can use the this panel also. Okay, so this will be the blue color of outline. Okay, and if you want to convert this text to outline, just right click over here. There is a no outline panel will be on. Okay, create outline. So you have to select this, go to here, click, right click, and create a outline. This is the outline of text. We can't edit this text right now. Now you have to opacity. We can increase or decrease the opacity of this panel like that. Okay, and normal or any hue color you can apply over here also, and we can create here, double click to create a opacity. release. Or isolate blending is very important. If you are isolate this text to this background color, so this is very important. Okay, and make mask. This is the masking to outline of a background color. Okay, masking. Mix object. This color will be something different. Okay, now I will be going in the inside of text. Okay, so this is the masking. Okay, now I want to show you another option. Like that. Okay, now if you have to add some guardian color over here in the character or your this will, and stroke will be over here. Stroke length, you will zoom and see the color of this stroke applied. Here is the option. And brushes, you can apply the brushes also over here to display the some attractive design like that, some sharp design. We can use this also like that, but you have to select this area first of all and apply this panel. Okay, now you will fill this color from here also, but we have to select this path, this font itself, ungroup, group, ungroup, and go to select this. But everything is because the isolated. I have isolated this font to background so that we will not able to edit over here. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.